Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the font style on your iPhone using iOS 26. Let's get started. On iPhones from Apple, iOS 26 does not allow full system font change like Android, but don't worry, you can still change font style and size in supported apps and also make text look different using built-in settings. Open settings on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Once you are in, tap text size. Move the slider to make the font bigger or smaller. Now go back and tap display zoom if available and choose larger text for a bolder look. This works across most apps. Some apps allow font changes inside the app itself. For example, Note app, Pages or Keynote or social media apps. This font won't change the whole system, but they work inside the app. So in iOS 26, you can change text size, turn on bold text, or use custom fonts inside supported apps. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.